everyone. This is Animesh Sharma. I am here to share my SSB experience with you all so that all the future SSB and defense aspirants might get some help. I hope so. So that's why I'm here. A little introduction about me. I was working in Merchant Navy as a deck cadet, trainee navigation officer, and I decided to give AFCAT. I gave AFCAT 1 2018 and I cleared it in my first attempt. To FCAT 2 2017, I couldn't clear the writtens. I cleared my SSB in June 2018 and cleared my medicals around October 8th. Luckily, that was the Air Force Day, and I cleared my medicals on October 8th. And merit list came in December, and I couldn't clear the merit list. So let me start with uh, I just given my brief intro here, and let's talk about stuff. We'll start with when to start preparation for AFCAT or CDS. So our preparation includes three broad prospects: written, SSB, medical. All the three preparation starts from day one, the day which you have decided to prepare for defense forces. That is the day your preparation starts. So first day itself, get set, get ready, pull up the socks. You have to tackle this in three manners. One is paper and pen. You have to solve questions, you have to pass the written exam. So you have to actually you do not have to just pass the written exam, आपको बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स के साथ written exam clear करना है. So one thing is that written exam. Second is SSB. So one thing is bookish study, other is personality. When it comes to SSB, you have to start enhancing your personality, enhancing your OLQs. That is very, very important. From written till SSB, there is a good amount of time. I guess it is around when the written is conducted and when the SSB starts, it is around 2 to 3 months at least. That is, I feel, if not enough, that is quite sufficient to look into yourself, to introspect, find where you're lacking, and then go for it. So from day one, start studying, start following your personality, start enhancing your personality, see good things, talk to positive people, see good motivational videos. I'll come to it how to go for it. And start being physically fit. Start running or maybe exercise or maybe yoga, anything which helps you. Basically, you have to prepare for all these three stages. You have to start preparation from day one, the day you decided to join Indian Armed Forces, because they want fit people, mentally fit, physically fit. So that is a very important thing. Broadly, I'll be talking about AFCAT and CDS. So as I told, preparation must start from day one. Next comes is how to prepare. Today, in today's era, there are enough material available online, free of cost. The diversity is too huge. I would like to say stick to certain things, don't stick to everything, because that somewhere dilates your vision, it defocuses you. So, what I would like to say is stick to certain things. I'll tell you what. If you start with AFCAT preparation, written, CDS, and AFCAT, start concentrating on mathematics. Mathematics is the game changer. If you're excellent in maths, you can never fail. So now we took care of passing the exam. Maths is okay, you will pass. But our aim is not just to pass the exam. Our aim is to get into merit list, to go into AFA, OTA, IMA, and serve our nation. So for that, you have to score well. How to score well? The thing comes here is English and GK. बिकॉज मैथ्स आप ध्यान देंगे तो आज के टाइम पे कंपटीशन इतना ज़्यादा है कि मैथ्स कोई भी कर लेता है, पास कोई भी कर लेगा. बट इंग्लिश, इफ़ यू मास्टर योर इंग्लिश एंड योर जीके, इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू जंपिंग लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. सो स्टार्ट स्टडिंग इंग्लिश. हम अक्सर इंग्लिश को निग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं. नो, योर इंग्लिश शुड बी ग्रामेटिकली राइट. इवन आई डू मैनी मिस्टेक्स इन इंग्लिश, बट पेपर में English scoring must be very high. So if you are done with English and maths, start seeing about GK. Okay, one thing, how to study about English. You can either follow YouTube channels. There are enough number of YouTube channels, or if you are subscribed in Unacademy is a very good platform. Or else get a book, a simple grammatical book in which you can find good amount of questions from service exams wherever they have asked. Next comes is GK. How to read GK? Reading GK is like connecting the current affairs with static GK. Every current affair has a static GK. Current affairs may, if it comes like India China line of actual control issue, that line of actual control has a static portion in history. So you have to connect the current affairs and go to that static GK. Any question which comes in static GK is somewhere around the that current affair itself. Just for example, there was India and China meeting at Mamallapuram. So this is a current affair that India China met in Mamallapuram. But you can very well get a question that, okay, what are the famous monuments in Mamallapuram, or which dynasty was there in the Mamallapuram, or like in which state it is. So that is what my point is. Connect static GK with current affairs and then study current affairs, because all the questions comes near about from current affairs. Next we'll talk about मैथ्स हो गया, इंग्लिश हो गया, जीके आई टोल्ड. Practice lots and lots of military aptitude questions. AFCAT paper, if you see, it is, I guess, around 45 to 50% only military aptitude. These are very easy questions. One or two are hard, but they are very tricky. You will mark some questions, but the answer is something else. For that, you need to keep on practicing, practicing, practicing. Maths and military aptitude, you need to keep practicing thoroughly. Make sure you score more than 200 in AFCAT at least, because that admin branch competition is very high, and even nowadays for flying it is very high. Same goes for NDA aspirants as well. You have to score good because you have to get into merit, and CDS as well. So we talked about written preparation. Written preparation is quite consolidated, so you know, okay, maths itna karna hai, English itna karna hai. Next comes is SSB preparation. As I told you, SSB preparation is very vast, diversified, and it is related to your personality. Personality आप एक दिन में ना बना सकते हैं और ना बिगाड़ सकते हैं. Personality building takes a lot of time. So you have to concentrate on your personality building from day one. You have to think, act, and walk like an officer. What happens is what we think always is what we become. And this is a very important psychological fact as well. So to start thinking that, okay, I have to join Indian Armed Forces, so I have to behave like one. They are not selecting candidates and then making them officers in training. They are already selecting officers. They are already selecting people who have shown their OLQs, who have passed all the tests which have a certain benchmark for OLQs, and they are just polishing them in training. They are not making officers. They are recruiting officers. So you have to already portray your OLQs in the exam. How you will do that? Practicing day in and day out. Whenever you talk to your parents, whenever you talk to your friends, there should be a fine difference the way you approach things and the way they approach things. Be constructive, be positive regarding everything, have a good opinion. These things in day-to-day life matters a lot, because when you go to SSB, automatically your subconscious mind, which has been practicing all these things, will portray only these things in SSB. So please take care of your personality. Please take care of how you think, how you act, and how you walk and talk. SSB preparation mein you can take coaching. I took coaching. Many people say coaching doesn't help, many people say coaching helps. It is a very vague thing, endless debate. But what happens is, in defense, in air force or anywhere, we have drills, we have PAD exercises, passive air defense exercises. So just now I told you PAD, passive air defense. You can just google it, okay, what is it, and you can get a question in interview regarding it. So there are exercises like this in which they practice real-time scenario, real-time war scenario. They'll create a scenario and they'll practice how efficient and how ready they are. Why this is being done? Because as it is said, there is a very fine saying: the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. Coaching is exactly that. You are getting an exact atmosphere in coaching where an actual GD is going on, an actual interview is going on, actual group tasks are going on. This atmosphere you can never get in any of the book or any of the video. Of course you can learn and clear SSB as well without coaching, but why not to try every resource possible when you have the capability to pursue it? It's better. I prefer coaching because it gives you an atmosphere. You are already now thorough with a GD atmosphere. You are no more panicking, no more freaking out in actual scenario. You are ready for an interview. You have faced an officer. You know how to walk, how to talk, how to sit, how to answer. So you are pretty clear with all these things. I prefer coaching is good. आप सुनिए सबकी, आप करिए अपनी. So whatever you feel it's logical, take it or discard rest of the things. For SSB, start seeing good motivational videos, TED Talks. I used to see TED Talks. Whatever you're preparing, have a good map. Okay, I'll prepare this thing from this. Okay, I'll see motivational videos from TED Talks. TAT I'll do from this channel, this YouTube channel, or whatever it is. I'll learn from Pooja ma'am whatever I want to learn regarding interview. Have definite set of things ready and execute. You have to start execution immediately. You cannot wait for things to, okay, I'll start from Monday and all. No, you have to start right from now, because the competition is very high. Even in defense, it's not just SSC and banking. Even in defense the competition is very high. For my batch, we reported around 264. 66 got screened in, sorry, and 2 got recommended. So you can imagine 264 is to 2 and only 1 got merit in. So 264 is to 1. एक बैच का एक सेंटर का रेशियो है ये. So keep in mind while preparing for SSB, one of the very important point is practicing. How you're practicing. SSB में, like, psychological tests are very time bound, so you have to be very time bounded. Like when you're practicing a VAT, practice it as if you're actually doing it in that specified amount of time, 15 seconds for each word. So take each word 15 seconds. I'm sorry, you cannot match time for each word, but you can take a greater time scale. Like अगर आप 15 words के हिसाब से निकालो, 60 words 15 seconds, it will come around 15 minutes or something like that. 9 minutes I guess. So 9 minutes you put the time clock and start writing that. Be time oriented, because psychology is all about time and pressure. They apply pressure on you by limiting your time so that your mind doesn't get much to think. When it doesn't get much to think, all the subconscious things in your mind comes out indirectly or directly. If you want or you don't want, you're actually projecting what you are. So from day one, start practicing in a time bound manner. That is very important. Second thing, regarding psychology tests, I would like to say, VAT ho gaya. For TAT, yeah, one important point is, while TAT and screening, when they show you a picture for 30 seconds, please don't start writing at the end of 20 seconds or 25 seconds. No, for 30 seconds please see the picture from top to bottom, left to right. It is very important. Many people miss out many important things given in the picture, which actually can be utilized in your story. And when your story is different, you are selected because you have observed the picture very well. So that is one of the very important point. Write good stories. Portray your OLQs in every story. Every story need not be dramatic, heroic. No, जस्ट पोर्ट्रे सम ऑफ दी स्टोरीज. ठीक है, इस स्टोरी में आपने इनिशिएटिव पोर्ट्रे किया, इस स्टोरी में आपने करेज पोर्ट्रे किया, अगली में आपने ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एबिलिटी शो की, एक में मेंटल स्टैमिना करेज शो किया. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू गो. Keep your 12th story always ready, and Pooja ma'am must be telling you already what and all have to be done. So that is how you have to go about SSB interview. For that, make up good mind when you go for SSB. Please be very cooperative and friendly to all of your fellow candidates. They are also candidates, so please take care of that. And regarding how to prepare, I would like to finish here itself. I don't find any much this thing. For resources, as I said, online resources, utilize every possible online website, video, an academy, YouTube, even Instagram pages nowadays. There are good defense related SSB related pages. Target SSB is there, many are there, even your channel is there. So please utilize. Current affairs, Pooja ma'am whatever has already updated some videos and I've seen them. They're quite informative. She gives everything in a very detailed and very pinpointed manner that will help in your interview. So please follow her series. I found it very good. And then comes SSB experience. Okay, so now this is a good thing. SSB experience, आप किसी से भी पूछोगे, same smile will come on his or her face, because it is one of a kind of experience which you get in life. and you hardly get it back again. I reported in my SSB in a simple t-shirt, jeans and sandal, and I was like, यहाँ पे लोग ना ऐसे आए हुए थे वहाँ पे जो already they were looking like officers. Already I felt that they have come from some academy. They were so properly well dressed, well maintained, and so they were already looking like officers. And मेरा मोरल थोड़ा वहाँ down हो गया कि I should have come like that. So don't do this mistake from day one. Try going in a proper sober dress. Although they couldn't clear, I got recommended. That is different part of story. That was maybe my luck, or maybe I performed well. But dressing also matters a lot. So don't repeat this. SSB experience was all good. SSB experiences are to be cherished because you don't have your cell phone. You all the time interact with people. Either you play, read. Whenever you go to AFSBs, and even I'm sure for Army SSBs, there must be reading hall and motivation hall. Please go and read. Please go and see, okay, what is there, what's not there. In interview, they can ask very well, okay, Animesh, what did you do last evening? For me, they asked, Animesh, there is an aircraft on the gate. Which aircraft is that? Luckily, I had noted and I observed, so I answered, sir, that was Nat. Then he asked me, okay, Animesh, that is a real one or a just a dummy? Actually, that was a real one. So you have to just reason out. Then I said, sir, it is a real one. He asked, okay, how can you say that? So please keep your reasoning ready. Please reason out everything. Why you like chocolate? Why you don't like chocolate? They will ask us such silly questions. They have to get answers out of you. So please take care about that. SSB experience, we did the psychology tests on the same day of screening. Too tiring. Please have proper rest. It's too tiring. So, and psychology needs good amount of rest because you are going to write till night 10 or 10:30 maybe. So please take proper rest. Next day is your interview or maybe group task as the board decides. Be very confident in your interview. I was very confident. Although a little nervousness is there, but nervousness not should not overcome other qualities like confidence and morale. So my interview went quite good, 1 hour 30 minutes, I guess, quite a good amount of time, good amount of questions. And please be honest. If you have a girlfriend, if you have a boyfriend, sir, I have. There is not in this is not a crime. So please be honest. It takes for them to catch you. So please be honest. If you don't know any GK question or something, don't shoot bullshit. Just say that, okay, sir, I don't know, I'll find it out. That's how an officer should act like. And GTO group tasks. For group tasks, I would like to say that when you're going for any group task, the thing important thing is it's a group task. It is not that you are leading the group all the time or you have to give your points out of the group. No, you have to take the group with you. The task, the all the meaning of the task is how you are behaving in a group. That's why you divide. That's why they divide you in progressive group tasks, and a half group task may they divide you in half. Then command task may even further. This is to see how you're going out with your group. Armed forces is all about teamwork. How you're leading your team. Leading your team is very in a literal manner. Actually, the team comes with you. So please take care in that group task. Be very well dressed in your during SSB. They observe and properly shaved. It should be like a gentleman and a lady. Even for girls, please maintain decorum, discipline, and please be very sincere. And in conference, there will be good amount of officers sitting in conference. I was quite nervous in my conference because first time I had seen so many officers in uniform. So but as soon as I entered and I sat, everything, I don't know how it vanished, and I was just smiling. And he was asking me some questions, how was the stay. There are some particular questions you must be knowing, it's in the public domain. So just answer them and give a good smile that okay sir, thank you sir, and just walk out. Not a big issue. Wait for your result. If you clear, well and good. If you don't clear, well and good. It's neither the first exam in your life nor the last exam in your life. Don't get demoralized. Please don't get upset, although ये सब होता है. But you can be very well motivated because either you'll be having further SSBs, and if not, it's okay. Not it's not, it doesn't mean that आपका SSB में नहीं हुआ तो you are worthless or you're worth of nothing. No, it's just that you didn't fit into that profile. That's it. That is one of the profile in millions of profile in today's job feeds. So it's just that you didn't fit into that profile. And SSB clear हो गया. We immediately got a small medical check after the SSB, in which I was declared overweight. I was around 15 kgs overweight in my SSB, and I had to reduce 15 kgs in around 30 days or 40 days, and that was a terrible time for me. And that is why I told you right from the day one, start practicing your physical fitness, because at the time of medical, if you don't clear medical, they will give you a temporary rejection. And that it's not such a great deal, but it feels bad. Why to waste your time again going to the medical board appealing in Delhi? It's better you clear it beforehand itself. So medical experience was quite good. Points to remember, I would like to say some club topics are points to remember and important takeaways from SSB. And when you start preparing for SSB or something, it is obvious that defense is not a usual platform. Defense is a very wide platform in which really determined and dedicated candidates come to apply. So that must be portrayed from you. It is not just like any other job जहाँ पे lack of interest और lack मतलब एकदम आप गए आपने मन बिना मन के भी आप दे के आ गए और आपका हो गया. No, defense needs really dedicated people, really dedicated candidates. So be very enthusiastic about defense. Read about Air Force if you're going for Air Force, Army, Navy, respectively. Read about them. You should know, okay, which fighter is performing what role. You should know what is the difference between first Air Chief Marshal and first Chief of Air Staff and first Air Marshal. There is difference. So you should know what is the difference in between. I hope you find it out and let your ma'am know what is the difference between first Air Chief Marshal and first Chief of Air Staff. So such things you should be knowing for future deals. What are the future deals going on? How it will help us show a good amount of interest in international relations, how the diplomacy is going on, what is Kala Pani issue, line of actual control. You should know Old Begi, that airport is there. I forgot the name, sorry. Old Begi something. Highest, it is the highest airstrip near Ladakh. Daulat Old Begi, yeah. So please be interested and do follow what your instructors, sir, ma'am says, because they are quite experienced. Of course, they have cleared, but they are quite experienced. So please follow what they say. That is a very important point. Start thinking, acting, walking, talking like an officer. That will help you leaps and bounds. And I would like to say that if you're a fresher, these 5 days will be kind of a changer for you, because you don't use your social media sites, you talk with people, you will have very good friendship in these 5 days. I cleared it in 2018 July, approx 2 years. I still talk to people, I stay regular touch. So it gives you a very good insight that world is not only in social media. And I wish you people all the best. I hope I have covered everything, and if not, I'll try to cover it in further video if it comes to. And all the best, be positive, you're going to crack it. And let me know how was your result. Thank you.